Assalamu alaikum everybody. I've got a simple salmon recipe for you today. To make this recipe, you'll need salmon that has been cut into 1 to 2 inch thick steaks as shown. So begin by seasoning the salmon with salt. Apply as much salt as you would like. After the salt, sprinkle on the freshly cracked black pepper. Again, here feel free to add as much as you like or as little as you like. And the final seasoning that is needed is a little bit of karum seeds. These will enhance the flavor of the final product that much more. Trust me, they're worth it. Now make sure you flip all the steaks and apply the same seasonings on the other side as well. Grab a frying pan and add in it a few tablespoons of neutral tasting oil along with a few knobs of unsalted butter. Let these melt and come to temperature. Add in the fish. Let the salmon cook a few minutes per side or until it becomes golden brown like in the video. Make sure you do not let the salmon cook for too long, otherwise you risk burning the karum seeds. After flipping once, add in the crushed garlic and the juice of 1 lemon, along with its zest. Let this cook for a further minute or two, just so that the garlic softens up and the lemon juice infuses with the rest of the flavors. And repeat the same steps with the rest of the salmon steaks. After the cooking process, it's time to dish them out. I decided to present them like so, and make sure you do not waste that delicious garlic lemon butter mixture. Keep it, strain it, and then spoon it on top of the salmon as shown. This can also be used as a sauce in which you can dip your salmon. This salmon can be served with a side of rice or a healthy salad, or you can eat it just as it is. Here I have decided to garnish the salmon with a bit of fresh parsley, but you can use any herb that you like. So this is it from me. Well done. Allah Hafiz.